Your advice to couples who are facing challenges in conceiving?
Number 1, de-stress yourself, be happy. बच्चा हो जाएगा. जो आज है उसको enjoy करो. Science has done so much progress कि pregnancy will happen.
Yeah.
So make your life a more happier time for you at the moment. Live your day to day. जब हर चीज का एक सही टाइम होता है, हो जाएगा. Let the सही time come.
Being an IVF specialist, 3 misconceptions that people have about IVF.
Okay. Number 1, ये हमारा बच्चा नहीं है, किसी और का बच्चा डाल देते हैं. बिकॉज जब मेरे पास लोग आते हैं, पीपल थिंक कि किसी का भी बच्चा डालते हैं. थैंक्स टू मूवीज लाइक गुड न्यूज एंड ऑल, जिसमें कुछ भी दिखा देते हैं.
हाँ, एक्चुअली उसी मूवी में ही
इतना ज़्यादा, मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट ओके. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. अगर वो किसी और का बच्चा, बिकॉज एग डोनेशन, स्पर्म डोनेशन, दोनों प्रोग्राम्स चलते हैं. बट जब किसी को स्पर्म डोनेशन की ज़रूरत होगी तो उसको बताया जाएगा तुम्हें ज़रूरत है. नोबडी वांट्स टू डू अपने आप, बिकॉज नोबडी, हम में से कोई भी 20 साल बाद फेस नहीं करना चाहता कोर्ट को. सो इट इज़ योर बेबी ओनली. ठीक है, आपके ही आगे, आपका ही स्पर्म है, आपका ही बच्चा है, वही डालेंगे और आपकी ही शक्ल होएगी. आप DNA टेस्ट कराओ कि ना कराओ, यू विल फाइंड इट. दैट्स वन थिंग. नंबर 2, आपको बेड रेस्ट करना है आफ्टर IVF.
ओके.
नो. अ नॉर्मल हेल्दी लेडी अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ फॉलो कर सकती है. इन फैक्ट आफ्टर एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफर, पुराने ज़माने में हम पेशेंट को ट्रॉली पे शिफ्ट करते थे. अब हम उसको उठा के शिफ्ट करते हैं जस्ट आफ्टर एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफर. एंड माई सक्सेस रेट्स हैव इम्प्रूव्ड. समहाउ इट्स सेड कि वो एंटी ग्रेविटी मूव करता है, बिकॉज इट्स इन अ बबल, वो ऊपर मूव करता है. सो नो बेड रेस्ट रिक्वायर्ड. और मैंने बहुत सारे केसेस देखे हैं कि एक IVF कराया, रेस्ट लिया, 2 कराया, 3 कराया, एंड देन आई टेल कि इस बार ना अपनी लाइफ को नॉर्मल, एंड पेशेंट गेट्स प्रेग्नेंट.
Okay.
So this is the second misconception that people have. Number 3, कि babies born to IVF are abnormal.
Okay.
No, they are absolutely normal. Absolutely normal. If the gametes are good, fine. Babies are normal. They'll do well in school and everything. So these are the 3 misconceptions which I see.
Okay. According to a fertility specialist, what should be the ideal gap between 2 children? Yeah.
I'll just say कि I'm nobody to judge it. अपने आप में एक बच्चा चैलेंज है for mother and father. So have a baby when you're ready for the second baby. But then so many times what happens is, हमारे पास एक कपल ऐसा आता है जिसको अपने आप से कंसेप्शन हो गया, तब then you have to change the brain. You will manage. Because है क्या, ब्रेन क्या है, whatever you tell it वो मान लेता है. So ideally 2-3 years इतने में आपकी बॉडी नॉर्मल हो जाती है, आप लैक्टेशन वाली फेज से निकल लेते हो. थोड़ा सा बेबी ग्रो हो गया है, सो यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ द न्यू लिटिल बेबी नाइसली. शुड बी 2 to 3 years, but it depends all on the personal choice.
So a rapid fire myth and fact with our fertility specialist, IVF specialist. Women with regular periods do not have fertility issues.
No, they can have. It's a myth. It's a myth.
Yeah, okay. Male infertility is less common than female infertility.
Myth. Equal.
Okay. IVF increases the risk of multiple pregnancies.
It's a fact.
It
depends on the doctor. Some doctors are still keeping 3-4 embryos. So yes, chances of multiple pregnancies are high. Twins का तो definitely मेरे यहाँ भी रहता है.
Okay.
Because I usually like to keep 2 blastocysts. To twins, yes.
हो सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Okay. One can still have healthy pregnancy if they're over 40 years.
Yes. हो सकते हैं, but the chances are very low.
Okay.
Let's say if chances of healthy pregnancy are 80% in a 25-year-old lady, they go to maybe 10-20%. I'm not saying nil तो कुछ नहीं होता.
Okay.
Yeah, miracles always can happen.
But it will be a miracle.
No, मतलब 10-20% है, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. Heavy periods indicate a fertility problem.
No.
If someone's having
It's a myth.
heavy flow, it's fine. If till the time your periods are regular.
I would like to say one thing. Get a HB done for yourself. If your hemoglobin is normal, so your body is taking this normally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Having sex in certain positions can increase the chance of conceiving?
The most important is that the discharge should remain inside.
Inside.
Some positions where, you know, it will just fall off immediately. The withdrawal is there. जैसे ही बाहर निकलेगा, सारा बाहर आ जाएगा. Yes.
Okay.
So, maybe अगर मुझे best position बतानी है, तो it's the missionary position.
Okay.
The regular lady down. A pillow below the hips will improve the chances of conception because थोड़ा सा
it will help.
Yeah, थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा देर the semen will be inside.
Okay. And if it is vice versa, if the male is down and the female is
it
up,
is going to come out immediately
so that's
before
the worst
you
position
know.
To conceive a baby.
Yes.
Okay. Erectile dysfunction is only a problem in older men.
Absolutely a myth. It is increasing rampantly. Porn watching is one important cause
that
of it.
That causes erectile dysfunction?
Absolutely. Number one, porn watching. Number two, masturbation. I'm not saying masturbation is absolutely a no-no, but too much doing it, और फिर वो आप psychologically disturb हो जाते हो. So, older men are also facing these issues these days because I'm seeing lots of older men always on mobile. कभी आप मतलब porn watching is very common in two age groups. या तो बहुत छोटे या old age men.
Okay.
Too much.
Okay.
Yeah.
One can get STI from oral sex.
Yes, you can. It's true.
Yeah.
It's true. It's true.
Okay. Women who choose to freeze their eggs can use them for pregnancy regardless of their age.
Yes, you can use it, but I talked about the age limit of 50 years, which is
by the law.
By the law.
Yeah.
So you have to take care till 50 years.
Okay. You can, but
you will not be allowed. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.